Well, I'm going to change this dadgum worn out door closer. This thing here don't work anymore. This piece is just so wore out. I mean, I could spend time drilling another hole and straightening it all up, but I don't want to. About the piece on the front here. I think we've got it set in the right place. You're fixing to find out. What you do is you push that button right there, open the door, and it'll hold. All you do then when you get through is push the door open and it closes by itself. Now how about them apples? Now I was just going to show you the screw on the back of this door closer. There's a little Phillips screwdriver right there, and the slower you want it to close, you go clockwise. If you want it to speed up, you go counterclockwise. That screw right there, so you turn it whichever way you want to go. Alright, well I hope all this helps.